All praise belongs to Allah Ta'ala. May peace and blessings be upon His Messenger, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family and his companions. Once again, we have been blessed with the sacred month of Ramadan, a time to renew our faith, strengthen our resolve, and seek forgiveness. It is a unique opportunity to deepen our connection with our Creator through fasting, reciting the Quran, performing Taraweeh prayers, and engaging in acts of charity. People experience Ramadan in different ways. For some, it is a precious and rare gift, a time to express their unwavering love for Allah. They devote themselves to worship, believing that every good deed earns multiplied rewards. Their patience, kindness, and generosity shine through. They guard their speech and remain engaged in the remembrance of Allah, reciting La ilaha illallah, seeking forgiveness, praying for Jannah, and seeking refuge from Jahannam. They are inspired by the words of the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who said, "The fish in the sea seek forgiveness for them until they break their fast. Every day, Allah beautifies Jannah for them and says, 'The time is near when my faithful servants will cast aside the hardships of the world and enter you.' On the last night of Ramadan, they are forgiven." Ahmad. However, there are others who enter Ramadan with reluctance. To them, it feels like a burden, a month of restrictions and hardship. They fast grudgingly and attend Taraweeh prayers half-heartedly. Their understanding of fasting is merely abstaining from food, drink, and physical relations. They waste their time gossiping, watching sports, or socializing at cafes and restaurants. They make little effort for tilawah, zikr, and du'a, and often neglect their daily prayers. Their only focus is preparing for Eid. The Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, described such heedlessness. Many who fast gain nothing from their fasting except hunger, and many who stand in prayer at night gain nothing except the discomfort of staying awake. Ibn Majah. He further stated, Allah has no need for the fasting of a person who does not abandon false speech and sinful actions. Sahih Bukhari. Then there is a third group, those who remain unaffected by Ramadan. They neither pray nor fast, continuing their lives heedlessly in sin. They make no effort to change their ways. The Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, warned about such people when Jibreel, alayhi salam, said, "Woe to the one who finds the blessed month of Ramadan and lets it pass without gaining forgiveness," to which the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, responded, "Amin." Sahih Bukhari. He also said, "Whoever skips even one fast in Ramadan without a valid excuse will never be able to make up for it, even if he fasts for a lifetime." Ahmad. Dear brothers and sisters in Islam, fear Allah Ta'ala and do not waste your time in pointless activities. Use this month wisely, for it may be your last chance to attain the special blessings and forgiveness of Ramadan. Know that this sacred month is a priceless gift from Allah, meant to transform our lives. Let it be a turning point, a shift from sin to righteousness, from weakness to strength, from heedlessness to devotion. Make a firm resolution, O noble Muslim. Pray the 5 daily prayers in congregation. Observe Taraweeh prayers with dedication. Spend time in supplication, recitation of the Quran, and remembrance of Allah. Participate in your masjid's Ramadan programs. Protect your fast by guarding your speech, gaze, and thoughts. Share your iftar with your neighbors and those in need. Show patience, kindness, and empathy, especially towards your parents and spouse. Be generous to the poor, especially our struggling Muslim brothers and sisters. Help at least one sick, elderly, or disabled person during Ramadan. Make dua for the ummah before iftar daily. May Allah Ta'ala bless us with faith, strength, and sincerity to make this Ramadan truly special. May He enable us to remain steadfast in our worship and protect our Iman. Ameen.